and they're the most secure way to carry natural resources. I live nearby Lac Mégantic. We certainly have experienced what is railway transportation, and we've worked to increase it. What we need to do is have a global approach and work with allied countries to reduce our greenhouse gas footprint, but also take into account that Canada is absorbing a third of its own greenhouse gas emissions.
Pacific Islands. Ladies and gentlemen, climate change is a threat. Let's not forget about it. It is there, and we have to address it. Just to put it under the carpet will not take away the fact that climate change is a threat. But there are ways of which we can address it. There are ways of green innovations. There are ways of common sense approach, of recycling, reusing, and reducing waste.